Hey, YouTubers. This is Wild Wally Woo coming to you. I'm here with Wicket and Jace at the Fitchburg Furnace in Ravenna, Kentucky. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what you're seeing, and then we'll go take a look at it. So y'all come along. The Fitchburg Furnace is the world's largest charcoal iron furnace and the last to be built in Kentucky. Fred Fitch designed it, and Sam Worthley, a stonemason from Scotland, completed construction in 1869. The structure incorporated the latest design technology and was state-of-the-art in its time. The twin stacks were built of local sandstone using traditional dry-laid stone masonry, and today is counted among the top dry masonry projects in the world. The massive structure stands 81 feet long, 40 feet wide, and 60 feet high. A number of innovative features first used at this furnace were later taken up by modern furnaces. In 2001, a group of concerned individuals associated with Aldersgate Camp and Retreat Center, also the landowner surrounding the 1.96-acre federal property, started discussing the deteriorating condition of the Fitchburg Furnace. Local interest quickly grew into the nonprofit organization known today as the Friends of the Fitchburg Furnace. Since 2001, the organization has worked with representatives from the local, state, and federal governments and experts from around the world in funding and completing archaeological studies, historical research, and a major stabilization project at the site. Today, Fitchburg Furnace serves as a regular stop for visitors from near and far who are looking for a place to picnic, who want to step into the rich history of eastern Kentucky, and who marvel at the incredible engineering and technological accomplishments of previous generations. Come and experience the richness of Kentucky's iron heritage and join us as we share in this historic marvel. Wicket and Jace.
Hi, everybody. In YouTube land. I'm not taking the chance. Okay, let's not. It's scared. Look, it's freaking me out. It's freaking him out, man. Freaking me out. Freaking him out. Come here, look, there's a tree growing on top. Do never look up. Well, always look up. You're going to miss something if you don't. See, there's a tree. Okay, now figure me out. This one goes up and you can see the stack. Of course, the other one, the one in the middle does not lead to nothing but creepiness. See you, Wally.
Where are you going?
I'm going through a tunnel. Hi, Wally.
There you are again. Snuck around.
This place is full of little nooks and crannies to crawl through and... Hey, Nina. What? Don't go over there. This is a secret. What's the secret? Aha! I see that. And this is a secret way to go down. Yeah, that leads out. Yeah. It's creepy. Why does this stuff look like a puzzle? Well, it's made that way, honey.
That's where they come in and done the restoration. They laid all this up in here.
Yeah, so we can walk. I thought it was just going to be rock. Well, thank goodness not, because those little things have saved my life. I don't slide all the way down because they're uneven.
Yeah, back in the day, it was just the ashes, I guess you'd say.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
Out. Why'd you come around?
We still gotta leave him.
JT, where'd you go? There he is.
How do you look my Nina? How do you look my belt?
You already made your way through?
I loved your belt. Yeah.
Yeah.
You want?
I haven't got down here so I can walk.
No, I'm not going up there.
You're not going in there?
I am.
You boys have fun.
You go that way, I'll go this way.
It's half dark in here. Holy cow.
Here's the center tunnel. Guess that's where the workers can stay out of the fire, out of the heat.
Wait up.
Huh?
So wait up. I'm following you. See you, Wally.
Are you leaving me?
I know. Hi, Wally. This is what me and Nina was talking about. Wally, look. Down
Yep.
there. You can go down there, but there's 2 tunnels that you can go down there.
Don't think I want to climb in there.
What?
Don't think I want to climb down in there.
I think I'm not going to take a chance to. Now, Wally, we can go down there, but if we slip and fall, go down there, we never come back up.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That far down?
Yeah. This is another way to go down there. Wally, there's 2 ways, that way and this way.
Oh yeah?
But I'm not taking a chance down there. Wait, I can climb back up that.
Hmm.
If we can get down there, I can climb back up there.
I think last time I was here there was a gate up there.
What?
There was a gate last time I was here. They had it boarded off where you couldn't get back here. You can go down and go through the little tunnel and come out. See the little tunnel right here?
Yeah. Do you want to go down there?
Well, I don't think I can fit through that tunnel.
Well, I'm going down here.
Snuck around.
Scary part.
That's a roundabout, ain't it?
Yes, it's to there where we've been talking about.
Don't fall down.
Should we go down there?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Either way.
Hey, if it's graveled, I reckon you can go.
Yeah, well there was a gate up there the last time we was here.
You come up the gate or something, and
Oh, there's steps. Well,
Well, there sure is.
Nina,
I'm right
Well,
here,
it's-
baby.
you can go down there. There's steps.
It's like it's wood they put in here to block this up, but
Alright,
it's,
well, you know what? I'm coming.
well come on, come back here and look. Big old downspout. Oh, they still got a big roof up there.
Oh, I don't like that though.
You can go. You can go, Nina. There's another secret. You can go down there to get out. Look, if it's closed down, you can go down there to get out.
You sure can. Wow.
Wow.
You're on the other side. We were talking about how pretty it was down here. Hey, take a picture of it.
I cannot look up right now. Alright, I'm going back up.
All right.
They need to clear the steps off.
I guess when it rains, there we go. Thank you, baby.
Oh, I can go back through this way. See me.
Ooh, gross. The walls are a little.
Hi. Can you climb up that?
You gonna climb up?
Fixing to find out. Oh crap!
Can you not get up there?
My hip.
I ain't coming that way. I did it.
You made it.
I did it.
You gonna make it?
No.
You gonna have to drag him over.
I made it.
All right.
Woo!
That's for me.
I'm going back through the tunnel.
Okay. I'll blow you.
Boo.
Bye. Scared me.
I can go down. Hi, Dina.
Hi, baby.
Hokey-okey-o.
The sun's come back out. It looks really bright in here now.
Hey, yeah, this seemed brighter than that over there for some reason.
I'm not taking, Nina, I'm not taking another trip through that tunnel because it has a creepy way and a monster is going to come out of there.
Oh, you just know it. Well,
Okay, not looking back and through there ever again. Look through there.
but I have to do this, y'all.
What?
Stand back. Don't say nothing for just a minute, okay? How many days do you have left when you see the ring? 7.
So where did the stairway go to? Nothing?
The stair, nothing really. It just goes up and around back on
So
the
you can
hill
look over top
behind.
of it?
Yeah. I don't know if you can look over top of it. It was really grown up the last time I went.
Nina, you can because you can go down into there.
We could always go try to find out.
Yeah.
I mean, it goes up and around.
I don't.
I mean,
It
I found
goes
a
up
weird
and
staircase and I have to follow it.
It goes up and around.
You never know.
Never know, you never know.
Yep. Wonderland may be waiting somewhere.
You can get up there, but I mean, what?
No, this way, baby. There's stairs.
Oh, you can get up there. I don't think people would take it.
Alrighty, everyone. That's going to do it for this adventure. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, hit the share button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.